Oh, we're live.
Oh,
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I promised we would document the journey. Here's the
I'm
birthday
very
girl.
excited about this journey. I have my scarf on that Lisa gave me, and I have no idea what we're doing. And as a control freak, who's with me? Can I get an amen? I am slowly dying inside. So I have my mask that I do have, and my phone and a pair of gloves. I mean, a lip gloss. And some credit cards on my ID just in case.
Do you have a tissue in your pocket?
I do not.
Because I understand that moms always ask when we have tissues in our pocket. Look who's with us.
Gail's here.
Gail's
Happy
here.
birthday, Miss Tara.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Part of the surprise. Love it. Hey, Kay. Hi, Noelle. Hey, everybody. Hi, Annette. And Molly's checking in. Guess what? We're going on the ferry.
Should I actually turn this around and show them what we're doing?
Yes.
So, Tara doesn't know anything else, but we're going on the Cape May Lewis Ferry.
I like how you say that like as if they do and they might tell me.
I know, I'm afraid. Well, because you've
Do they
been
know?
bombarding everybody.
I don't know what you're talking
So
about.
we're waiting to board the ferry. We're going to document our day today with everybody, but we're going over to Cape May, New Jersey. We're in Lewis, Delaware. And here's the birthday girl. So everyone, happy birthday, Tara.
Yay! Jackson was kind enough to wake me up this morning at 4:45. He had to go out. So I've been up. I had coffee. Ed spoiled me with cards and two really pretty things from our favorite store.
Yeah.
Soul.
Yeah.
And Mommy gave me cards and a gift certificate to one of our favorite salons. So I'm already spoiled rotten. Lisa's concocted this whole day trip, which I'm very excited. And also, hey, Charlie. And also, stressed about because I don't know what's happening.
Don't be stressed. And because Tara's 29, we're having a 29% off sale over on our website. Is that right?
Well, it's so funny because when we were putting it together, I'm 48, and I was like, why don't we make it 48% off? And one of our team members is like, do you want everybody to know? I'm like, no, what? Yeah, 48, baby, here I am. This is 48. With a little help here or there,
She looks pretty darn good, don't you think? Absolutely. So this is going to be a fun day.
I can't wait.
What time were you born? Gail, do you remember?
7:17. I checked my baby book.
7 a.m.?
Here's what's in my baby book. My name,
What else?
my length and weight.
You don't have to share that. That's too personal.
At 20, isn't everybody the same? Like 20 inches, something like
7
that.
pounds, 6
And
ounces.
Yes, so I was under 8 pounds, and I was born at 7:17. From there, the details get a little. Yeah, Amy, Susie, Whirl, 48 is great. Ooh, I love that. The details get a little vague. Mom petered out on the baby book, so it's all good.
But today is your birthday.
Allegedly, today is my birthday.
Hold on,
I'm
Gail.
not mistaken, there's a copy of the announcement in there.
Oh, there is actually. You're right. Let's see. That's awesome. Hey, Joy. Oh, Joy, the baby book. Right, because Joy has 3 kids. And I was like, don't peter out now, like with
did.
Jocelyn, where she gets only her name.
I did.
Is there even a baby book for poor Jocelyn?
I get it. By the time you get to 3, like Holly.
Time for
Hey,
that.
you only had 2, by the way. And Tracy's, her first tooth, her lock of hair, her toenail. I'm like, what is happening here?
I made her when she went to kindergarten. I think we got that far with
Yeah,
her.
to kindergarten. Mine says Tara was born, allegedly, on February 1st. No,
Yes,
I'm totally kidding.
We got the New York birth certificate to actually be sure this is true. Oh, so listen, we're going to have so much fun. We're getting on the ferry. We are actually going to celebrate. We're going to have a mimosa on the ferry.
Ooh, I'm very excited.
What?
Amy says you're looking great, Gail.
See?
Oh, thank you, Amy.
Yeah.
Amy's my bestie. She lives in Colorado. Love you,
Yeah.
miss you. Wish you were here.
I don't know. Well, you guys will get to celebrate soon.
Ooh, Cindy, I turned 48 this past Friday. Fellow Aquarian, Cindy, happy birthday.
Love.
And Samara will be, what a pretty name, will be 45 on Saturday. Look at all us Aquarians.
Yeah, look at that.
I mean,
What's that? What's Aquarius? What is that sign?
fabulous.
Oh, it's the fabulous sign.
Duh. We're the water babies.
The water. Well, then the ferry is so appropriate.
That's why I figured
That's
you
why
picked
I
it.
planned this.
Donna said she'll be 63 next month. No baby book.
Oh.
Everybody raise your hand. Oh, Noelle, 45, February 26th. Love. Happy birthday.
Oh,
I love it. Oh my
So
God, you guys
much
have
fun.
So much fun. We are very. Ooh, security.
What happened? Oh.
Security. Security's coming by. There's dogs. The dogs slowed down when they got to us. I said
It's
they
so
would
true.
just smell all of our dogs.
It's so have you guys guys ever done a ferry? We're driving onto the ferry.
It's really cool.
It's honestly one of my favorite things. I don't think we're going to see dolphins today. What do you think, Gail?
I don't think so.
No
Not
dolphins?
When I was peppering my husband with questions as to what might be happening today, peppering, and I was, by the way, he couldn't wait for me to get out of the house because at one point he said they, and I said, who's they? And he's like, they, Lisa. I go, they, Lisa? Lisa's a they?
It's my big personality.
I'm like, so Lisa's a they? He's like, yeah, they, yes, they.
That poor guy, he's been under the gun. Now he knows what it's like to be interrogated.
Yeah, true story.
He does.
Yes.
He does.
So while I was peppering him with questions,
Yeah.
I said, are we going on the ferry? And he said, the ferry? Isn't it like Frozen? I go, well, I happened to check the schedule, and there is an 8:45 ferry that leaves. This is true.
I can't. If you knew the level of the degree of like secrecy I went around this, and she's checking ferry schedules.
Well, I said I was going to check Ed's phone, and Lisa goes, you think I'm texting him anything about this? And I was like, I was proud of myself that I didn't.
No.
Like, I will go through great lengths to find out what's happening.
No, like this is like the Oval Office in this group, okay? Like I don't text, I don't put in an email. Well, I did text Gail, but you're not looking at Gail's phone, and I know that.
Not usually. No.
No,
Did you hear my mom?
But
I just avoided you for a week. It's awesome.
He's not talking to you. What, you started asking me questions on Sunday.
Sunday. Yeah, Mom comes over for dinner. We do Sunday dinner. And I'm peppering Ed with questions about what's happening. And then I look over at my mom and I go, and by the way, are you a part of this? And she goes, I know what's going on. And then she was just changed the subject. And I was just like, all right.
Oh my
Wait,
God.
who's driving? We're not driving. We're parked, Sarah.
No, we're waiting to get on the
That'd
ferry.
be awesome, by the way. Bing, bing, bing. Yeah. No, we're just We're just parked.
So how about it, you guys? Birthday girl over here.
MC, preach. This is so terrible. MC, we're headed over towards your neck of the woods. We're going over to, we're taking the Cape May Lewis Ferry. No idea what we're doing, but we're coming over.
Yeah, fun, right? Secret day.
Hopefully you had the red carpet put out, MC. I know you did. You have your hands full, Lisa. Yep.
Cheryl. Yes, I do. You guys, we're gonna have the most fun day. So,
All right, we're
I
rolling.
gotta go. Here,
All right.
can you hold that?
All right, you guys. We will be in touch, I guess. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know.
We'll check in from the ferry so they can see the view.
Oh, the ferry's so fun. All right, we'll check in from the ferry. All right, love you guys. See you in a little bit.